Miter cuts allow two pieces of wood to be assembled without revealing end grain. Miters are used in many situations, such as for trim, picture frames, or box assemblies. Tilting the blade while making a miter will result in a compound miter. Compound miters are used when assembling crown moldings or when making tapered boxes. Angled cuts and miters are made with the aid of a miter gauge. Use a triangle or T-bevel to set this angle. Testing two 45-degree cuts with a square will quickly tell you how accurate the angle is and whether any further adjustment is necessary. To make a miter, the miter gauge must be set to the correct angle. Most miter gauges have scales printed on them, with preset stops at 0 degrees and plus or minus 45 degrees. These stops can be fine-tuned for accuracy. A sliding bevel or drafting triangle can be used to calibrate the stops, and/or set the angles directly with the blade. A backer board attached to the miter gauge will give more support to the stock and help reduce tear out as the blade exits the cut. Backer boards also make it easier to attach stops to the miter gauge for repeat cuts. The miter gauge should slide freely in the slot without excess play. When pushing the miter gauge, push at a slight angle towards the blade to keep the cut consistent. While dedicated miter saws are more commonly used for miter cuts, the table saw, equipped with a miter gauge, can be used for this purpose. Moreover, the table saw allows wider boards to be mitered. For this reason, knowing how to cut miters on a table saw is an important skill.